Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another unboxing videos. I've been enjoying these videos, you guys, because you know there's no better feeling than when you go through that whole process of importing things from China and the goods get to you. So the minute you get the goods, you're normally so happy, you just feel you want to unbox them, because at the back of your mind you're like, is what I ordered what I'm gonna receive? So I'm going to unbox with you guys in this video. The reason I'm super excited, guys, is because these goods that I'm going to be unboxing today are things that we ordered for Christmas. Yeah, they are Christmas throw pillow covers. So I'm super excited because they have gotten here on time. Yeah, we shipped them via sea, guys. So at least I didn't want any delays, having in mind there are things that are meant for Christmas and then zifiki hapa zikiwa zimechelewa, you know. So I'm super happy, at least for people who are in my WhatsApp group, at least they won't feel like the goods came in late. At least they have gotten to them. So this is the package. This is the huge package over here. Yeah, so as you know, the throw pillows are not so heavy items. Yeah, so yeah, let us unbox. They look so nice. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me open this one, you see. I'm super happy for the people who ordered these ones from my group. Oh my god. Yani their Christmas is gonna be popping, yeah? And they look so big. Wow. Look at that. And the quality, guys, wow. Wow, 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 wow. I can't wait to put it on a pillow so that you can see how it looks. Yeah, I'll put it in a pillow so that you can see. So this one was ho 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 ho. Yeah. Yeah, we have another ho 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 over here. Joy to the world. Hey. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Hey, these people will be happy. They're gonna be so happy. I think so. I have extras. I don't know how many extras I have. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Let me open this one, you see. Let me open this one, you see. Wow. I hope I'll remember how to put them back. Wow. Goodness, guys. Hey, let me get a pillow. Let me get a pillow so that I show you how they look. Yeah. Look at that one. Merry Christmas. We had blue also. Wow. Kazi niko nao ni kupanga according to what people ordered. Look at that. Wow. They are so beautiful. They are so beautiful, you guys. Guys, I've put them in a pillow. Look at that. That's how they look. Oh my goodness, inside a pillow. Lucky are those people who ordered in our WhatsApp group, because you are sorted this December holidays for your Christmas. Look at that.
They are beautiful.
They are very beautiful.
And it's my birthday. That's it. No, it's for Christmas. That's for the Christmas phone, and I want
this other print. So guys, I do have extras for this, so please check out on Instagram. I'll be posting the remaining pieces and the prints that will be available, that will be up for sale. So guys, as I keep telling you, please join our WhatsApp group, because that is where we post the deals. Yeah, before I do the unboxing here, it's normally a whole other process of posting in the group and people pre-order. So you'll find most of the things here are already taken. They have owners. Yeah, so I'll just assign them to the people who are supposed to take them. They'll clear and then they'll be able to pick them. So guys, I'm super excited for this. Yeah, so comment down below what you'd like to see us import as a group, so that I can suggest it to my group members. And please join the group so that you can be part of it, part of all this that is going on here. Yeah, I'm super excited for this, and I can't wait for the next unboxing. Yeah guys, if you've watched till this end, why haven't you subscribed, guys? We are on the road to 3K subscribers, guys. Before the end of the year, I've been putting out content after content. Guys, support a girl, yeah, and subscribe. And when you see the ads, don't skip them. Don't skip the ads, yeah guys. Yeah, this is a good time to start wishing you a Merry Christmas, because I mean, me I'm sorted for Christmas already. Yay! So guys, until the next one, bye.